This 2017 Keystone Raptor 425TS is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 42 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, auxiliary battery, TV, refrigerator, smoke detector, LP detector, water heater, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, oven, and 129 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Keystone Raptor 425TS is 15,860 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.